Hey, OneKeyers, back to school season is here, which means schools may be top of mind for some of our clients. So let's look at how we can use RPR to research schools and create a school report that we can share with them. So from the RPR home dashboard, I'm going to head up to research and then select school search. From here, we can search by a specific school, or we can search by location to see the schools available in a particular area. For this example, I'm going to search by school district and I'm going to put in Huntington, New York. So it looks like several districts overlap in the Huntington area. I'm going to select the one that's tailored to my client, and I'm going to select the Huntington district in this example. And now we have a list of schools that match our search criteria, and we can quickly browse through the results and see information for each school, including things like grade levels, school type, and ratings. And if we want to learn more about a particular school, we can dig into that information right from here. We can connect that school research back to the real estate research that we're doing. Here, we can view properties in the area and start exploring listings alongside the school information that we just pulled. So this gives us another way to help clients research an area beyond just the properties themselves. Another really cool feature you'll find in here is mailing labels. So if you're targeting this particular area to generate more listings, you can actually print out mailing labels directly from this page based on the listings in the area. But let's say we want to take this research information and actually send it to a client. We can do that by creating a school report right here in RPR. We'll select our school, choose the report option, and give our report a name. Then RPR is going to generate it for us. And here's what our client will receive. The report brings school information we just researched together into one place, so they can now view the details themselves. We have great information about the school, a map view, ratings, and other available data, all presented in an easy-to-read format. You also have options to save, share, or download the report, whatever suits your needs. So, whether we're working with buyers who are researching a new area or simply answering questions about local schools, RPR gives us an easy way to find that information and put it into a report that we can share. With everyone heading back to school, it's a great time to give RPR school reports a try.